I love this clever logo on this. We've already looked at this once. It's going to be a sponsored stream because they sent it for me to look at. I'm not keeping the board, but you know, it's something we're sponsored to look at today. I'm excited because he also sent over an HE build that we get to try out before we build the MX build. And I'm trying some switches I've never tried before too. The wing is a project by Clever. It closes in about 15 days, I think. And it's about $400, comes in 2 different colors, being solar or polar. And it comes in some different layouts. It's $400 US. We have a few different PCBs, Dynacap, Hall Effect, and MX. So this has got you covered. Oh, some cute little Clever feet. I mean, this is pretty much going to be some good colorways. This is a great looking board, I have to say. Love this thing. This is a nice set. It's a nice looking board, Clever, as usual. If you guys haven't realized by now, I like mostly everything Clever does. He makes some pretty nice designs, dude. I think this little like ergo lip on the front is just, it's just so nice. This is so nice. Okay, this is Hall Effect, right? What switches are these? Wait, these are not Hall Effect, are they? Oh, they are. Which Hall Effects are these? Herons, oh. This sounds sick as HE. Like, maybe you can hear it in the alphas. Maybe. Alright, these are really good. I gotta get myself a bag. Wait, what are the stats on these Heron switches? 60 cents each. Wait, you're telling me you're not gonna charge $2? And you're telling me there's no new tech in this? Like, there's no anti-wobble housing magnet tech? Oh my god. How can these even keep up? No custom mold? Oh my god, dude. If you ain't charging $2 a switch, I don't know what you're doing, dude. I need to pick up a batch of these switches for sure. I can just call it done right now. It's a comfortable keyboard, super comfortable keyboard to type on as well. Like, holy shit. I guess we could look at the MX build, sure. If you guys really insist. Plate, foam, silicone. Ooh, some Clever stickers. Very cool. McLovin Z60. Is this the final P? Oh yeah, it is. Nice. You have a McLovin PCB in this. Great PCB. You know, one of the big things why I like this PCB too is they have extra diodes for those who are interested. Great PCB. Damn, okay, I'm happy with that. Good layout support too. All right, let's put this thing together. Wait, these are like pretty nice switches. These are 8 Haimu Sakuras. Oh, HANGOUT switches. Ooh. All right. So these are the back screws. I have to take off the wing, right? Magnets on this. Don't scratch it, promise. So I need these. Stealing these off of this. I'm guessing we do the little dots down. Force brakes in here look good. I like that they're nicely cut for the keyboard too. I would say a pleasantly simple build. I've already built the wing once. I liked it then. Very happy with it yet again. Let's see what these switches sound like inside this, shall we guys? And then we can also plug this in, see what this looks like. So there's the LEDs popping through. So these are gonna be the Haimu Sakuras. It's a very deep sounding board. I kind of like the Hall Effect one more. Yeah, I think the Hall Effect spacebar was really nice. Yeah, like the alphas are definitely nicer here for sure. I'm not going to even argue. I like the alphas more. Maybe these Haimu switches are a tad plasticky. Let's do a cherry switch for good measure. Now, people always go, Alex, all you do is ever use cherry. Well, there's a freaking reason for it. It's because it's part of our baseline testing. Oh yeah, dude. Hold on a second. Let me just tune the spacebar a smidge, but I think cherry's the way to go. Hold up, hold up, hold up. cheese switch, not the blue cheese, a regular cheese switch. No, these are V2s. Okay, I still overall prefer the HE spacebar to all of these so far. All right, let's try the yogurt. Ooh. Ooh, the yogurt's kind of nice in this. Fun board. I really like this. I have no criticisms or complaints. I have no complaints with this. This turned out great. Yeah, like, I'm not going to sit here and, like, tell you guys this is, like, X, Y, Z needs to be fixed. There's nothing. Clever's already prototyped this. Clever's already sent this out to people to look at. The few refinements that he did, I think just brought it to the top. There's nothing here that I can say is going to be make or break for this keyboard. If you guys are wondering, like, where does criticism fall for me? It's objective things that would actually make or break the case, or make the case better in positive ways where more people can enjoy it. I don't think this board really has it, like, where I can criticize it in that degree. There might be subjective things, like subjectively, you might not like a PC bottom. This is going to be a deeper sound for sure. So you have to come to terms with, like, the wing is going to be a deeper board, but that's part of the fun of it. You know, like, you may not like the ergo, like, curves on the front here. So, but yeah, I think this keyboard's generally really nice. Clever did a great job. Some nice details in here. I like the Clever feet. Those are cool. Oh yeah, Clever sent some other stuff over. Is it these, Clever? I didn't even open these yet. So this is what you guys can also do to change the typing angle, in case you guys are curious. You take that off and you put these little guys, just like we did for the first time. And now you have a 4.5. Pretty clever, no pun intended, pretty clever way to do typing angles on this board here. It does change the sound a little bit, for sure. Not by much, though. Very, very cool. I really like this. Very nice. Lights out? Yeah, let's see what it looks like with the lights off. It'll differ depending on the typing angle you have. So, for example, if we put back on this wing, that is a really cool look. Subjective opinion here too. The 4.5 typing degree angle is more comfortable. I like it more than 9 degrees. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of your night. Love you guys. Talk to you guys very, very soon. I say hi to Ed, and bye, everybody. Love you. It's a very deep sounding board.